Imagine a technology so powerful it could break today's computers in seconds, but also build the future of medicine, finance, and AI. This is the secret weapon of quantum tech. Quantum technology isn't just science fiction anymore. Real companies like IBM, Google, and IonQ are racing to unlock its unbelievable power. But here's the shocking part. The real secret weapon isn't just quantum speed, it's quantum entanglement, a mysterious link between particles that Einstein once called spooky action at a distance. Think of it like two dice, always landing on the same number, even if one is in New York and the other in Tokyo. This revolution could completely change cybersecurity, drug discovery, and even climate modeling. But that's not all. Startups are already building quantum-safe encryption to protect banks and governments. Here's the amazing twist. While investors see billions in opportunity, risks remain. Quantum computers could break today's internet security overnight. Yet myths persist. No, they won't replace your laptop tomorrow, but they will reshape industries faster than most people expect. Next, imagine personalized medicine designed in minutes, or global logistics optimized instantly. The future business impact is powerful. From Wall Street to healthcare, quantum tech could be the next industrial revolution. Quantum's secret weapon is not speed alone, but the unbelievable ability to connect worlds in ways we never thought possible. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights. And tell us, which industry do you believe quantum tech will disrupt first, and why?